What if I told you the most brilliant pocket calculator was invented in a Nazi concentration camp? It became known as the pepper grinder, the math grenade, and the last breath of mechanical genius. Meet Curt Herzstark. In 1938, he patented a new kind of step drum that made subtraction as easy as addition, using 9's complement math. He was close to shrinking the bulky calculator into a pocket-sized miracle. Then the Nazis took over. Curt, son of a Jewish father, was arrested in 1943 and sent to Buchenwald. There, Nazi officers gave him a grim offer. "Design this for us, and we'll gift it to the Führer when we win." He did it, not for Hitler, to survive. After liberation in 1945, Curt found skilled machinists and built 3 working prototypes in months. He fled Soviet territory and eventually struck a deal with Prince Franz Joseph II of Liechtenstein. Production began. The company, Contina AG Mauren. Curta was affectionately nicknamed the Pepper Mill for its crank, the math grenade, for its shape, and the calculator you couldn't kill. Its step drum replaced dozens of moving parts, making it compact, fast, and mechanical poetry. You slide in digits. Crank once, it adds. Crank in the hundreds position, it multiplies by 100. Pull the crank out, it subtracts, using 9's complement. It was hand-powered place value, built into a 230-gram cylinder. Used by rally drivers in the 1960s, pilots before digital flight computers, engineers, explorers, dreamers. It worked without power, without error. And only 3% were ever returned under warranty. In the 1970s, electronic calculators took over, but Curta lived on as a collector's grail. By 2016, models sold for $1,000 to $1,900, depending on condition and serial number. His own investors tried to push Curt out, devalued his shares, kept the patents under his name to avoid lawsuits. But that move backfired. Without Curt, they had no legal right to produce anything. He renegotiated and got what he deserved. Type 1 8 digits, 6-digit counter, 11-digit results. Type 2 bigger, 11-digit input, 15-digit results. Both weighed under 9 ounces but punched like titans. Over 140,000 Curtas were made. Today, museums display them. Collectors chase them. They still work like they did in the 1940s. No batteries, no bugs, just pure mechanical brilliance. From a prison cell in Buchenwald to the palms of pilots, racers, and engineers around the world, Curta proved one thing. Genius needs no screen to shine. Like stories like this? Follow for more tales of forgotten inventions, misunderstood geniuses, and devices that changed the world, one crank at a time.